Wagwan. So for those of you who would still like to sponsor a child or two for Spice Back to School treat, which will be held tomorrow, August the 5th at Hope Gardens, you can still do so in person or PayPal, Cash App, and more. This is what Spice has to say.
Hey guys. Hey people, wagwan. I've been super busy working in between trying to plan this back to school. Let me check my connection to see if I have enough people so you all can help me get the message out. Yeah guys, so it's almost my birthday. August 6th is my birthday, and I don't know if you guys realize, but this is really what I'm doing for my birthday. I'm giving back. So I wanted to come on live real quick just to update you guys on my back to school giveaways that I'm super excited about. And I'm excited about it because I am just grateful that I'm able to be in a position to give back, because I remember when I was younger and I needed books. I went to school without books. I didn't have much. So, you know, to be able to give back, that's what makes me happy. So on my birthday, that's what I'll be doing. So for those of you who don't know, or you're just joining the live on August the 5th, which is tomorrow, Hope Gardens in Jamaica. Everybody know Hope Gardens there, right? Purport, right there. So, and I'm going to be there at 1 p.m. and the give back is going to be in the form of book vouchers. So I already purchased. Oh well, do I tell everybody? Because me no want we probably come crowd me down now, you know, million. Well, I already announced that Magnum Tonic Wine gave me $1.5 million. I already bought book vouchers with that. I myself has invested millions to buy the gift voucher, so you already know how much me accumulate just from myself and Magnum Tonic Wine alone. However, there's other people that came on board and donated. Big up my fans, them. Best you come out strong on them. I don't know what some people are talking about, but I have the best fans in the world. And let me tell you something. I may not be able to call every single one of you guys names, but me say the cash app them was sent from the $40 US them. It means a lot to us here in Jamaica, because $40 can come to 5,000 ad, and that can buy 2 books. So no care how small it is, everybody that give back, you are appreciated. Me see the $50 them will come in, me see the 100 US them, me see the $400 them. I appreciate it. On behalf of the Grace Hamilton Woman Empowerment Foundation, I know that mothers are going to leave Oak Gardens tomorrow and them are going to feel good and appreciate it. I want you guys to know the health minister reached out to me, Mr. Dr. Tufton, and he's going to come on board. So if you want to bring your children, you can. He's going to set up a tent where you can get, you know, check to make sure your child is healthy for back to school. Because I know when I was going to school, it was a requirement, you know, to have your form filled out and whatever. I don't know what the process is right now, but I'm telling you that the health minister of Jamaica, Dr. Tufton, he's on board and he's going to provide a tent area section where you can bring your child and they can get checked. He's going to have dentists there as well. So, and he's giving away that for free, so your child can be tested. So bring your child if you can. It's going to be a safe environment. We just received our permit today from the police department, so big up to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We're going to also have their help there. The last time I did it in 2019, the capacity and the people that came out, it was overwhelming, and so I'm trying to make it more professional this year. So come out. You know, Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. She also donated over $100,000 to some mother. And may I tell you, to the artists them, when me not see it, me I look out for now. If you can send your representative to Oak Gardens tomorrow. If you did not get a chance to donate, you can send the people. You can remember, you know, when we're artists, we not travel alone. So you must have somebody run. You can run, go up to Angsters, go buy a couple voucher, or run, go up Kingston Bookshop, go buy a couple voucher. Run, go to Songstars, buy a couple voucher. And if you cannot buy the voucher, you still not have no excuse. Put the cash in one envelope and walk with it tomorrow. Send your representative to Oak Gardens, because I'm sure that there's gonna be a lot of mothers out there who may not get, because you don't know what the turnout would be. So everybody who still can give, any company that can give, we're still depending on you to turn up tomorrow with an envelope to give back. May I look out to see everybody, and everybody needs to come out and support. So again, I do we have a lot of sponsors. Dream Weekend, I'm so happy that I'm a part of Dream Weekend, because for me, when you give back to people with support, you can remember, you know, we always say, dream now miss, we are going on the grill. So the fact that Dream Weekend reached out to me and they are donating over $200,000, it warms my heart and I feel good. So I have to big up to Dream Weekend for that donation. Nestle called me as well. They are also donating over 200,000 vouchers worth of vouchers. So there's a lot of people that has been reaching out. So I just want you guys to know that tomorrow for the back to school, it's going to be at 1 p.m. at Oak Gardens. I want you to come out peacefully, respectfully, bring your children if you can, and let's just see if we can make a difference together. Again, me I reach out to everybody. Me now stop the kids. Them have to go to school September morning. So make sure that if you have anything at all and you want to come out with your envelope tomorrow, if you didn't get a chance to reach out to me, I'll be looking out for each and every one I want to support tomorrow at the Oak Gardens. I'll be there at 1 p.m. Is there anyone else that I didn't talk about? I spoke about Magnum Tonic Wine, Dream Weekend, Nestle. So many other people reach out to me. Big up Jada Kingdom. I know that there's a lot of people I'm not mentioning right now, but I have a list in my phone, and tomorrow we are definitely going to celebrate them and give them flowers. People that has, you know, donated and reached out. You know, my artist friend them, I want sooner tomorrow, we don't look at envelope, you know. So make sure you tag everybody, wish other Jamaican artists. Okay, go so hard for the kids them. I mean, I definitely need to see everybody supporting tomorrow at Oak Gardens. And if you don't know where in Oak Gardens, it's right beside the zoo, so you can't miss this, you can't miss it. Just come in and ask for it. And shout out to my foundation, Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. Lisa Hannah, big up. I know that you are doing some donation as well. I forgot how much you said it was. So again, tomorrow we'll speak about that. But, you know, anybody who want to reach out and do some give back and giveaways, you are super welcome tomorrow to help me to make a difference. Blue Arts over here, so. Spice, you're beautiful. Okay, thank you guys. My birthday is on its way in 2 days. I'm so excited. This is what I'm doing for my birthday. Where your rich friend, them are the people, them are call you out, you know, them are gonna call me, you know, me I call you when I come off of the line. I said, them are the people, them are ask for you, yeah. And again, big up to all my fans that donated and give back. There were so many of you guys, but I made a list and I will give a special thanks tomorrow at the event so the mothers can know, you know, that it's an effort. Me alone can't do it, guys, you know. And so if you can come out and support other mothers, you are super welcome. And I'm looking forward to seeing a great support tomorrow. Big up the mothers them. It's a first come, first serve. We have the armbands to give away at the gate, again by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So it's going to be super organized. When you come, you will receive an armband, and that armband is what is going to allow you to collect an envelope. So anything else I'm missing? Oh, I tap people and I say, when them there, Richie, don't you Richie don't call me yet, you know. Richie, the people them I look for you. I saw Richie stay. Remember Richie in a birthday to in August 6th. 1_glitter. Happy birthday to you when it comes. Big up yourself. Of course, you know, so many other people is going to donate. And I'm super excited about that. So big up to everybody and all the sponsors. Meet me at Hope Garden.